Hello, this is Daniel Pringle. Today I'll be showing you how to use a firearm safely. This here is the Septor version 1.0. Let's use this dangerous firearm. You never want to shoot at the walls like this. And you never want to shoot at anyone, because this could kill you. To load the gun, you have to take off the magazine. But that doesn't matter, you just stuff it in the end of the barrel because that's perfectly safe. And then you want to pump it like this. You just get your gun. Get your gun. Yeah. And then you grab that bit and you pump it back and forth like this. It's a bit hard one-handed, but you'll manage fine with both hands. I think it's done. Now this, it could kill someone. Firstly, I'll show you the safety. This is the safety. Push it in and out. But first, let's fire it a bit. Why isn't it firing? Maybe it's jammed. Let's check. Oh. We'll have to poke our fingers down there for a quick check. You ready?